payback period, we are finding out, we are given two different projects, two different investments and two different cash flows. We have to find the payback period and decide which is the best project. This is the concept. So we have project A, we have project B, initial investment, cash flow is individually given for each of the project. Now, shall we find it out? So project A, saving the payback for project A formula. What is the initial investment? Given 6 lakh. Annual cash inflow? 1,50,000. What will be the answer? 4 years. So this concept is that in 4 years I will be getting back the initial investment of 6 lakh. Then for project B, what is the initial investment?
4 lakh.
Initial investment is 4 lakh. And what is annual cash inflow given? 1,50,000. What will be the payback period? 2.6 years. So we have found out whether anything else is given in the question such as years or anything is specified. 5 years. So your project duration is 5 years. So for project A, in 4 years I will be getting back rupees 6 lakh. And in case of project B, in 2.6 years I will be getting the amount of rupees 4 lakh. In this case, the better investment is project B. But in case of an amount, if we see, we are investing rupees 6 lakh. We can get that 6 lakh in 4 years. In case of a project B, we are just investing rupees 4 lakh. We are getting back in 2.6 years. So depending on the situation and company's current cash flows and everything, we will be deciding either of the option. But in this case, the best project is project B because we are getting back the initial investment in the shortest duration. Note it down. Once you have completed this, you have to note down the description. So the description is that since project B takes 2.6 years to get back its initial investment, project B will be given first preference and is considered. Are you clear with this concept? So we have discussed two types of concept in payback period. One is we are finding out in how many years we can get it back, and second concept we have two different projects and choosing the best. The third type is cumulative. Let us see that next. The next type of a problem is cumulative payback period. We are finding out in how many years we will be getting back the initial investment. In this case, we will be seeing the two kinds of problem. Whereas in the kind 1, we will be directly getting the initial investment in either of the years. In model 2, we will be exceeding the initial payment. In 3 to 4 years, your initial investment will be exceeding. In this case, we have to exactly find out in how many years we will be getting back the investment. So let us see the first question. So in case of the first question, what are the things that are given in your question? Read out the first one. What is the initial investment? 12 lakhs. And they have given you years and inflow. Till this, the details are given inside the question. So individually for each year, they have specified the inflows. For first year, I am having 3 lakhs, second year 4 lakhs, third year 5 lakhs. They have individually. And I am doing the cumulative next. So cumulative in the sense, do you people learn this in your maths? In accounts and maths, you would have learned this cumulative method. Cumulative is nothing but initially I am taking this 3 lakh. What will be the next step? I am adding the previous year's value with the present value. 3 lakh plus 4 lakh. The value is 7 lakh. With the new value, I am taking forward for the next consecutive year. 7 lakh plus 5 lakh, 12 lakhs. So in case of 3 years, I am getting the initial investment I have made. So this is termed as a cumulative payback period. So I have at the end of 3 years, I will be getting the initial investment 2,50,000. They have given each year's cash inflow. First year 1 lakh, second year 1 lakh 50, third year is 2 lakh. I am making a cumulative method. First year I am taking 1 lakh, second year I am adding up with the next year's inflow. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh. 2 lakh 15 plus 2 lakh, 4 lakh 50,000. So what is my initial investment? 3 lakh 50,000. So I will be getting back my 3 lakh 50,000 somewhere between these 2 years. Either between my second to third year. Either between these 2 years in the case, that may be 2.3 years, 2.1 year, or 2.8 years, or 2.5 years. I have to find it out. So the formula for finding out is that first we have to find out the difference between our initial investment and the investment that we have found out at the end. So at the end of third year, I will be getting 4,50,000. My initial investment is 3,50,000. The difference is 1 lakh. We have the difference of 1 lakh. So this 1 lakh will be between the second year or else my third year. So in this case, what I am doing is that I am dividing this value with the inflow of the third year. What is my third year inflow? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh, I am getting a value of 0.5. So in between the second and third year, I will be having a 0.5 difference. So to find out the difference between these 2 years, we are using the formula. Firstly, we are finding out the difference between the initial investment and the value that we have found, and we are dividing it and finding out we are having a difference of 0.5 years. So in between 2 to 3 years, we are adding to 0.5 years. So in 2.5 years, I will be getting back the initial investment of 3,50,000. Now, as we discussed priorly, say what will be the best project out of these two? Based on cumulative periods, project A or project B, which you will choose. You will choose project B. Why? Why? Years are low. So, since we are getting back our initial